to add staff to your exhibition kit account, enter a username and password and login. Once you log in, go to exhibition kit on the left and against which click on staffs. In the staffs, click on add staff. Here you can add a number of staffs, so give every detail about the staff person whose details you want to add and click on add staff. In case if you want to edit any details that you have added, you can always edit the information and update staff. You can change the staff member even. So once you finish it, the finished card looks like this. Here you can edit or select the design, so you can change the designs, and if you want to delete the card, you can delete, and if you want to make the card inactive for a certain time, or to make it active and inactive, yes, you can make, and you can download the QR code to share with your audience. Thank you.